Well, Happy New Year! This is Cindy with Love to Scrap for Fun, and I'm here to share some love pocket tags that I have been working on the last couple of days. I'm on winter break. I work for a school district, and we have a couple weeks off during Christmas and New Year's Day. So during that time, I usually like to sit in my craft room and do some fun stuff. And I live I have just grandkids that come over and visit. Now, my youngest, she just got married December 8th. So I am no more kids at home, empty nest. And I'm a widow, so I'm not married. So I got lots of extra time to do lots of crafts. But I do have 2 dogs and 3 cats. The 3 cats, they were kittens that were found, and we bottle fed them. My mom and stepdad, it was on their property. My mom and stepdad took 2 cats. I took 2 cats. One of mine passed away, so I just had the one. And then my mom is allergic to cats, and they got to an age where, they were a few months old, and so she had to get rid of them. So I took on the siblings. So I have 3 sibling gray and white tabby cats that keep me busy too, but they do not belong in my scrapbook room because they go crazy and they ruin things and knock things over, and it's crazy. But anyway, during the winter break, I like to have a project to do. I've been making little golden book junk journals. I'm about ready to do videos on those, so those will be later, but I did want to share these. I signed up for a swap with our local group here in Nampa, Idaho, called Scraps, and some people are doing like treat boxes for this is a February swap. And some are doing treat boxes, and I elected to do some pocket tags because they're very functional. You could put them on scrapbook pages, um, like 12 by 12 in your scrapbook albums, or you can put them in your junk journals and have all the ephemera and tags. And so I thought it would be very useful. Plus, I stuck a treat in there and I bagged it up and made it look very cute. So I just wanted to share this. Came from this digital kit I bought off of Etsy, and she's called ArtsPaperCrafts, and they're called Love Pocket Tags. And I got them on sale when they were like half off, so it was only $1.80 for the whole digital kit. And it comes with 3 styles of pockets. It does come with some digital images on one piece of paper, and I fussy cut those out, and I glued one to each of the bottom of these. And I, of course, edge inked everything with my ground espresso distress oxide from Ranger. So they look very vintage. And they have some tags, more tags, little public library card. I backed all these tags and ephemera on file folder, on the file folder, and then I adhered them with the Scotch permanent glue stick. This works best for stuff like that. And then I cut them out. After I printed them, backed them up on the manila file folder paper, and then cut them out. Then I edge inked all of them. So there's room to journal on the back. It's just a fun pocket. It's got some tickets. This little ticket right here, I ended up gluing it on the second level pocket because it just got lost down here and you couldn't really see it. And I like the layered look, so I put it right there so it can't get lost. And all of these I put on different like ribbons and different kind of variety. I don't know yet how many of these I'm supposed to make. Usually it's about 15 or 16 of them. And so then I package them up and I put a treat in there. And I have my stamp called Handmade with Love, and I have my name and the year. It's 2025. So yeah, I was just about ready to package these all up. And I thought, well, before I package the last few of them up, I'll just do a little video and share. So if anybody needs a project to do for the month of February, these are awesome to do. And it's my therapy. I love doing this stuff. So anyway, Happy New Year, and thanks for watching my channel. Bye.